are you doing?
I want to do Lego.
You wanna build Lego? Wow! Look, so many things to build here. So we will start with the first one. Show us what is the first one. Show with your finger. Point, please. Oh, okay. Right now, open up. What is that? Open up. Open up the book. Let's take a look. No, is it the first one? No, it's not the first one. Let's go back. Oh no, move. Go. Move.
How to do that?
Yeah, it's not that one. Open. Here. So let's take it closer. Let's take a look closer. What's this?
Seesaw.
No, it's not seesaw. It's a scale. So let's take a look. What do we need to make this scale or whatever it is?
My dad.
Let's take a look. So you need one this, three this and three this. Find them.
I found that.
Good. Let's make it.
How to do?
How to do? Look at the picture and try to make it.
Like this?
I think so.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes. Let's start. And then
What is this? You like that one? Are you doing correct?
Yes. Correct?
Correct?
Yes.
Okay. Let's take a look what is here. What is the next step?
Sorry, my dad.
Another step. Look, find all of them. Look, one, and three.
That.
Okay.
Let's do it. Bye.
So use your previous one to make it. Are you sure? Okay. Turn the. What's that? And what is this? A mixer? What can you mix? Juice? Okay. Okay, next one. What is this? What is this?
I made you to make yeah.
Okay. Okay, I get it. Let's turn the page. Let's take a look at this next one.
Iseki.
Check it. And next one. We have only one. That's okay. Let's try to use this one. Okay, make it. Correct? You check the picture. You tell me, is it correct or not?
Where to put that?
Which one?
Yeah.
I think so. Okay, what is next? Okay, okie dokie. Let's continue then. Yes? How many do we need? It's okay, we can use another piece. Yes, we can use this one.
One more day.
Okay. Where are you looking? What is that? What is that? Daniel, Lego is waiting.
Yeah. Yeah.
Correct? So, what is the next? What is the next step? We are almost finished. What else do you need? You need sticks. How many sticks do you need then? 4? Okay. Okay. So, what do you need to do next? Look, let's put this one. Let's adjust. We have only one, right? This, but it's okay. I think it's still okay. Let's make it.
Like this?
Yes,
Like this?
I think so. Next one.
No more.
Huh?
No more.
No more what?
No more there.
I don't know. I think so. What is next? I think you need to close them, right? Here, they.
Hold it.
Finish, finish. Finish, finish. Yo, yo, yo. Daniel, so what is the next step? You need to fix it. How to fix it?
Like this.
Yes. How did you fix? Yes. Good.
Oh,
It's okay. Okay, what is next one? What is next one then?
one more there.
Okay. I think we don't need that one then. Yeah, because we don't have that additional one then. We forgot at home. So this one is okay. Like what? No, no, no. Look, you need to put between. Yeah. On that part. Okay, one is ready. Yes, one is ready. Show closer. Yes, cool. Make another one. Then build another one. No, no more, right? Okay, use this one. Huh? Why are you angry? No more. Who mixed all the Lego at home? So right now we cannot find the details. Who did this? Daniel. Look here. Who mixed all the Lego? You tell me. Where are you going? Who did this? Who?
It's moving.
It's moving. Of course it's moving. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it because this is like a scale, right? Okay.
Maybe who's yes.
Yes. Let's take a look. Put one more. Put. How many do you need then?
6.
6? Count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Correct. Okay, let's make it. Let's make it, Daniel. Daniel. Doo-doo.
Turn on.
Okay, ready, steady, go. What do you need to connect them? Do you need what? Do you need a hot dog? Daniel, this is a test for you. Choose. A. You need a hot dog to connect. B. You need a French fry to connect. You need a French fry to connect. What this? Okay, put them back.
Look.
Put them back.
Everything is an open pipe.
What's that? It's letter A. What is A? A is for A.
Zebra.
A is for zebra.
Yes.
Are you sure?
A is for zebra.
No, not correct. A is for Daniel. No, A is for cola.
A for apple.
Yes, correct. Okay. I will eat one.
No.
Why? Give me one, please. Don't be greedy. Can you share with me one, please? Ah, look at you. Look. You wanna give me this ketchup? Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Okay, let's finish and let's take a look. Which one is heavier? Ready? Steady? Go. Uh-oh, that's pretty heavy, right? Then, because you know why? Because you need to put in the middle one, in the middle hole. Check here. Check middle one. You have 3 holes here. Daniel, here. Take out. Ah, yes. Take this stick. Then take the stick away. Then it's falling down. It's too heavy. Oh, oops. Let's take a look. I will count until 3. No, until 5. Let's take a look how fast you are. 1. Quick. 1. Daniel, fall down, then we cannot find them. 1. Quickly, put the stick inside, in the middle one. Daniel. 1. Okay, and how do we need to fix them? Yes. Good. Another one. Okay, is it heavy now? Is it heavy?
Wow, heavy.
It's heavy. Okay, let's try another one. Put another one.
What did you say?
Daniel, I have a question. Let's check. What is heavier? French fry? French fry or no? Okay, another one. Okay, another one. The last one. The last one then. Then it's ready. Okay, let's take a look. Is it the same?
Yes.
Yes, you're right. Is it heavy enough?
And this one now.
Okay, open and give half to the girl, okay? Daniel, open completely and give half. Open. No, don't give your. Cut. Yes, stop. Daniel, open more. Daniel, don't. Daniel, what else can you do? Try to put the book.
Чего? Wanna play slide?